Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to record on BT YouView Box step-by-step TV recording tutorial. To record on a BT YouView Box, press the record button marked with a red R on your remote control while watching a live program or browsing the electronic program guide. First, how to record live TV. Press the record button, the red R located directly beneath the playback keys. If the show is part of a recurring series, an on-screen prompt will appear. Use the arrow keys to choose either record episode or record series. Press the OK button to confirm. How to schedule a future recording. Press the guide button on your BT remote control. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the future date, time, and channel of your chosen program. Highlight the program and press the red record button, then select record episode or record series if prompted. Then press OK to save the schedule. Managing your recordings. Press the blue Home or U View button to launch the main menu. Now select My TV or Recordings depending on your box software version. Navigate to your list of recordings, highlight your chosen show, and press OK to view playback options. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.